Hey guys, this is a quick video regarding how you can set grid view on your DSLR. So currently I'm using Canon's 80D, so I haven't attached any lens. So what you have to do is just go to the menu. Here you can see the first one. So in that first one, which shows a camera icon, so you can go to the fifth option, and here you will find the grid display, which is currently off. So let me show you. So as you guys can see, the grid display is currently off. So let's go quickly. So I'm currently shooting handheld. So going to the grid display, you can set okay. So here it's 3x3 6x4, which means you'll basically get 9 boxes here, and here you'll get 6 4 24 boxes. So you can go for 3x3 set, and now it's enabled. As you guys can see, the grid display is enabled. So hope you like the video. It's a short video, and please, if you like, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading many tips and tricks, because this is my new cam which I'm using currently right now. I'll keep uploading such videos, so please give a big thumbs up.